Welcome at PAS 23 on stage. I'm here now with Xavier Lapillonne from Météo Suisse. Welcome, Xavier. So, can you tell us about your Mini-Symposium?
Yeah, thank you very much for the opportunity to be here. So the Mini-Symposia was about adapting climate model to make digital twin and facing all the challenges that we are going to overcome to get this model to run on future computer. So one thing is we really need to run climate and weather model at higher resolution. And as we have seen in the Mini-Symposia, what the presenters show is that these are big legacy code, which are often written in Fortran, which are not necessarily very modular and so easy to adapt. And in the Mini-Symposia, it was the example of two models, the FESOM Ocean model and the ICON model. And so what they were showing is to go to higher resolution, they need to use newer computer, and most of them, they use these GPUs, this accelerator, and they're not, so all the model need to be ready for that. And so there are different steps. Some of the model, they actually need to get started to be able to run on this GPU. Some are just at the beginning. Some of the model are a bit more advanced. They already have a first implementation or version that can run on GPU, but what they are seeing is it's difficult. So some of them use this compiler directive still in the Fortran code, and they see that they are facing challenges. It's not performance portable, so when they go in a different system with different GPU, it doesn't work, or one implementation for the GPU is faster on GPU but slower on CPU. And so, yeah, this is something they have to face.
So, but then summarizing the take-home message, what was the most important conclusion that you reached in this Mini-Symposium?
So I think one important question is that, so one of the speakers says maybe Fortran plus directive is a dead end, we need to see something else. So there was investigation of using other approach, like other language or domain-specific language. But there was also the need for maybe doing more software engineering in this code, so making them modular, having libraries so that they are more amendable for change and for evolution. I think that was the main take-home message.
Okay, but then what are you think are the real steps that you can take at the end of this conference to keep up the momentum that you gained during the discussions?
Yeah, so I think some of them who are really at the beginning, they need to go a few more steps so really they can run on these new computers, so having the port to GPU working. Some other who are more advanced now, I think really the next step is they are trying to break their code to make it easier to develop and then investigate this new technology. I think what we have also seen is there are many options and it's not clear now what will be the future. So I think there would need some consolidation between all these different approaches to see what's the best fitted for your community.
So Xavier, what did you like most of this past conference?
Yeah, I think I really like the fact that it's the time between the talk and the presentation where we really can meet people, also because of the size, it's not too big, and I think this is I think it's quite right, the good size. I know the people from previous year, so I know who to talk with. There was also very interesting talk, very inspiring talks in all this development in AI, I think was very inspiring, and yeah.
Very good. Thank you very much, Xavier, and thank you all.